What's up, everybody, and thank you for tuning in to another EVG Wars episode.
If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video.
Today, we want to give you a tour of the EVG garages. This is where we'll be getting into our first GTI builds. One of them you see behind us. Let's check it out. As you can see, it's still slightly an active construction site, but progress is happening. One of the things we're most excited about is 2-post lift for each side for right now. Start off with the 2 posts. I think we're gonna get, maybe 1 or 2 more 4-post lifts, and hopefully we got some cars to put on them soon. But yeah, this is the whole layout of everything. Got plenty of space. We're gonna need it for all the tools we're gonna have. Hopefully, nice tire rack over there. And the image I have so far, we got our 2-post lift going on. I'm hoping over here, we'll have some nice big workbenches to work off of, possibly a tire rack over there. And there's just so much stuff, Hopefully this corner will kind of be dedicated to our tire machine balancer and whatnot.
The plan is to potentially make these GTIs into drift cars, so if we're drifting these things all day long, we're gonna be ripping through tires every day, so.
Absolutely.
That tire machine is quite necessary.
It's pretty much the lifeline of everything. You can't change your tires, you're dead in the water, so good luck, buddy. We have a lot of cool, useful space here, great lighting. You got your 200 amp 3-phase panel here, wired up by yours truly. I'm not trying to brag, but that's some nice stuff right there. Can't open this door because it just goes to a black hole of nowhere. Oh my God! This will be the our Zen area, as we're gonna call it, because we have the nature and Zen-like things.
Yeah, this is our nice break room.
This is where people will come to find themselves. Reset GFI, we're good to go now. Welcome to the ECI garage. Almost identical as the Sincaster side, but this side is where all of our electric swaps will be happening.
As you guys can see, we got 2 garages, almost the same. One's gonna be used for our gas builds, and over here, we're gonna be working on our electrical builds.
This is the office.
We got tires. One of these has 2 nails in them. You guys can pick out.
This is where the logistical side of things will be handled as far as money and
computing.
More monies. Can we get a keyboard in on that? Will that work out?
This is a big ass fan.
That's our biggest fan.
This is our...
That's our only fan.
Subscribe.
Happy New Year from the EVG Wars team. Thank you to all you guys out there supporting us in our first year. All of this wouldn't be possible without your support. Even if you just dropped a like, commented on any of our posts, or bought a t-shirt, everything is so important to us.
Just want to say thank you for all the subscribers we've gained over the year. Thank you for all the views, all the likes, all the comments you guys have given us. It's been a lot of interaction going on, and we look forward to seeing more of that.
2021 was amazing, and 2022, we have so much more in store for you guys. Thank you, and Happy New Year.